In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Trading 212. Now, I'm going to show you this here on the web version of the Trading 212 app. However, it's going to go the exact same way in case you are on your mobile device, with the exception that these buttons are going to be at the bottom and the interface is going to be just slightly different, okay? Also, I'm on my practice mode account. You could do this with your real account as well. It's the exactly same way. So here, I'm currently on CFDs, on my CFD demo account, and if I want to sell something, and if you ever want to sell something on Trading 212, simply you want to find the asset which you want to sell. So for example, I'm going to go into stocks over here and I'm just going to click on Tesla. And as you can see here, I have the buy and sell button. So if I go and click on the sell button, it's going to select sell up top. I can just select how much I want to sell. So for example, 100 euros worth of Tesla, I want to sell that much. You could go ahead and set a limit or stop order, put on take profits, stop losses, etc. Then you can just confirm your sell, and there we go. That's how you can sell. Now, of course, you could do this inside, for example, crypto as well. So if I go into crypto over here, I can go into, let's say, Bitcoin. I can also sell some Bitcoin. So as you can see, it's going to say how much of the Bitcoin I have available. I can just click on that much, or I can change it to whatever amount I want. I can click on review order and then sell from here. And essentially, that's how you can sell as well. So that's basically how you sell different assets on Trading 212. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.